Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Flo Home Charger Schedule Automation easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your smartphone is connected to the internet. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone. If you are using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Flo Home Charger and hit enter. Locate the Flo Home Charger app from the search results. Tap on the app to view its details. Check the app rating and reviews to ensure it meets your expectations. To download the app, tap the Get button on iPhone or install on Android. If prompted, enter your Apple ID or Google account password to confirm the download. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the app on your home screen. Tap the Flo Home Charger app icon to open it. You may need to create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your charger. Once setup is complete, navigate to the scheduling feature within the app. Select your preferred charging times and any additional settings. Save your schedule to activate the automation. You're now ready to enjoy your Flo Home Charger schedule automation features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.